Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an empties video. I have a whole lot of empties because I haven't filmed one of these in forever. So if you guys want to see all the products I've been loving and see if I'd repurchase any of them, then keep watching. Alright, so how I'm going to do this, just because I have so many products, I'm just going to tell you what the product is, give you a little rundown on if I liked it or not, and tell you if I would repurchase. I'm not going to do like a whole full review and go too crazy in depth because I don't want this video to be like an hour long. So the first product is this Shea Moisture 100% Virgin Coconut Oil Daily Hydration Face Lotion. This is good to soften and restore your skin. I got this in a Vox box from Influenster forever ago, and I finally finished it up just because I was getting so many other face lotions. I did like it. Just the one downside for me personally is there's just a lot of product still right here, and I used my spatty to try to get it out and it just wasn't budging because of like at the angle it was at, and my fingers can't get it. So that's just my one downside, but I did scrape a lot out. I would definitely repurchase again because I really like that it has a pump and it's just a good product. It really helps your skin. The next product is this Dove Refresh and Care Fresh Coconut Dry Shampoo. I really enjoyed this. I did get a sample of this from my Walmart beauty box, which I really liked, and it was really good dry shampoo. It does add a nice amount of volume to your hair, and it does get all the oils out to make your hair nice and clean looking and just refreshed. It had a really nice scent as well. It didn't linger throughout the day. It kind of just faded away about 10-15 minutes after you sprayed it in your hair. But I would definitely repurchase this again because it is a really great price as well. Next, we have this Biore Baking Soda Pore Cleanser. I liked this. I did get a sample of it as well in a Walmart beauty box. I liked it, but I didn't love it. It has like this weird exfoliating beads. It does gently exfoliate and cleanse at the same time. And I wasn't really a fan of that because I couldn't use my Clarisonic, my Foreo thing with it. So would I purchase this again? Probably not, just because of like the little exfoliating beads. I do think there are better cleansers out there, and the baking soda is really good to help like dry out any acne on your face, and that didn't really do that. I felt like my acne spots were still the same, so that's just one reason why I wouldn't repurchase this as well, just because it didn't really help with my acne. Next up, we have the Freeman Facial Clay Mask Chocolate and Strawberry, and this is good for moisturizing and toning your skin. This I really liked. This was a project pan item that I did finish. I really did enjoy this mask. I did go a little more in depth about it in my project pan update, which I will leave linked down below if you guys want to check that out and hear more about it. Next, we have another Freeman mask, and this is the Anti-Stress Mask with Dead Sea Minerals, and this one's great for cleaning your pores and smoothing your skin. Again, this was another Project Pan item. I liked it as well. Again, I'll leave a link down below so you can check out the video and hear more depth. I would definitely repurchase both of these masks. Freeman is one of my favorite mask brands, to be completely honest with you guys. The next product that I finished is the Maybelline Dream BB Fresh BB Cream. I'm in the shade 120 Medium Sheer Tint. I absolutely love this. A little goes a long way with this. I had it for a very long time. It's great for the summer when you just want to add a little bit of makeup to your skin and just make your skin an even tone, because my skin is never one shade in the summer. So this is good for that. It's also just good if you want to put some makeup on but don't want to wear a full face of makeup kind of deal. I absolutely love this. I've repurchased this a bazillion times. The next product is this Makeup Revolution Pro Fix Illuminating Setting Spray. I really did like this. Just the one downside is it smells like alcohol, kind of like rubbing alcohol, which didn't really bother me. I didn't really mind it, to be completely honest with you. It did last a long time. I really liked the mister on here. It was a really good product. It worked very nicely, and I would definitely repurchase this as well. The next item is kind of random, but I thought I would share it with you guys anyway, and it is the Hello Fluoride Free Whitening Toothpaste with activated charcoal with a fresh mint and coconut oil. I really did enjoy this. I really want the full size. It is such a fun toothpaste because it's the kind that like makes your teeth look all black and stuff. And I think it did kind of help whiten my teeth a little bit. I just have gone back to my normal toothpaste now that doesn't really whiten my teeth at all, but I really want to try this out. The one thing that I find really funny is That I got this in my Walmart beauty box, but I could never find it at Walmart. So the next time I go to like CVS or whatever, I'm definitely picking this up because I feel like it did help whiten my teeth a little bit. Next is another dry shampoo, and this is the Schwarzkopf Got to Be Fresh It Up dry shampoo, and this is just the Clean and Refresh scent. I really did enjoy this. The smell lingered for another like 10 to 15 minutes, just like the Dove one. I really liked it. It was pretty much the same as the Dove. Like, it helped volumize a little bit, and it helped give your hair just that clean look, even though you haven't cleaned your hair in a couple of days. Just my one downside is I feel like I use this very quickly. This is not one of those products where it's a little goes a long way. You have to use a lot of it. That's just like the one downside, but I definitely would repurchase because, again, the price is very good compared to like Batiste. Next is another dry shampoo. I didn't realize that I had so many dry shampoos, and this is the OGX Body Renew dry shampoo. And this one I didn't love as much. This is a pricier dry shampoo. I probably just bought it from CVS because I had some sort of coupon. But I would not repurchase this again. I don't really think it did much, to be completely honest with you guys. The smell was nice, but it wasn't anything special. I really liked it at first, but as I kept using it more and more and more, I just didn't love it. And I would not repurchase. Next up, we have the Urban Decay Naked Skin One and Done Hybrid Complexion Perfector, and I am in the shade medium. I really enjoyed this. I absolutely loved this. This was just something I purchased for myself for my birthday like a year ago, just because it was my birthday, but I really did enjoy this. I loved how it made my skin look, and I just liked the finish of it. It's pretty much just like a BB cream, but it just makes your skin look so good. I highly recommend this. People do not talk about this enough, and you guys really need it. It's so good alone and so good when you mix it with foundation. It's like the greatest thing ever. I think I'm gonna get myself one for Christmas and just, you know, give it to myself. Next, we have this L'Oreal Elvive Extraordinary Oil and Cream with flower oils. It's a leave-in conditioner basically, and it's good for dry, damaged hair. I did not really like this at all. It made my hair so greasy, and I would use the tiniest amount. So I don't know what was going on with this or what, but I didn't like it. I just think it's because it's an oil and cream and there's just a bazillion and one oils in it. It was just oil overload for my hair. I would not really recommend this unless you have like bleached hair. That's the one reason why I got it, because I had bleached hair at the end and my hair was a little damaged from that. But if you bleach your hair like regularly, I would definitely recommend this for you. But if you don't and your hair is just like slowly getting back to its healthy stage, I would not recommend this. I'm gonna let you guys figure out if I would repurchase these or not. This is the Jergens Natural Glow Wet Skin Moisturizer. You guys can just take a guess. Yes, there's another one in my shower. So I would 110% repurchase this. Next up are two products from Mix Easy. I'll leave a link down in the description box for you guys if you guys want to check that out and find out what Mix Easy is and all that stuff, because I don't want to be here all day explaining it to you. But basically, you can customize your own beauty products through the website. So this is the shampoo. I really did enjoy this. I still have the conditioner left. I don't know how that happened. But I really liked it. My hair was volumized because that's one of the things that I wanted, and my hair always felt really clean, and I was able to go a couple of days of not washing my hair with this shampoo, which I really liked. Then we have the face cream. I really liked it. My skin always felt really nice and moisturized and just hydrated. I really did enjoy that. Would I repurchase these? The shampoo, probably not, just because it is really pricey. But I would definitely get the face cream, only because I feel like spending money on skincare products is more worth it than hair care. That's just my opinion, but I'd rather spend my money on a good face cream than a good shampoo. Next, we have the Beauty 360 Fresh and Bright Mandarin and Pink Lemon Facial Scrub. This was the worst exfoliator I have ever used in my life because I was too cheap to buy the St. Ives one. This was like going to the beach, picking up some dry sand, wetting it in the ocean, and just rubbing it on your face. And you know, like when the sand dries on you and it sticks to you for the rest of your life, that is what this felt like. It was so rough on the skin. It literally felt like I was just using sand on my face. It did not feel good at all. And that was pretty much karma for me trying to be cheap. So if you're looking for a good exfoliator, spend the extra couple dollars and don't get store brand, because I learned my lesson. I will never purchase it again. It was horrible. The next two empties are two things that I also got in a Vox box a while ago from Influenster, and they are two Go Smile products. This blue one right here is just the toothpaste, and then this one in the white tube is just a teeth whitening gel. They were horrible products. They did not work. They did nothing for me. They were so stupid and pointless to use. I mean, I'm sure if you did the whole, like, got full size, maybe it would work, but these were just like little trial sizes and they did nothing. My teeth were so yellow and I don't know why or how, but I would not recommend these. I'm sure there's better teeth whitening products out there, like that activated charcoal toothpaste that I was just talking about from Hello. We are almost done. Next, we have these exfoliating foot peel masks from Bayluz. I did a whole review on them a couple months ago, and I just finished the box. 2 sets of masks came in the box. I really liked them. My feet peeled like crazy. I did this one. This was the second one that I did. I did it like a couple weeks ago, and my feet are still peeling, which is so nice. It's so satisfying just to rip all that dead skin off. But I really did enjoy these. They were awesome feet peels. I'll leave a link down below for that video as well if you guys want to check it out. The next mask is this Masquerade Hydrating Facial Sheet Mask. I got this in my, I think I got it in Yes Oh Yes, my Yes Oh Yes box, but I really did enjoy this mask. It was awesome. My face felt so hydrated for a couple days after I did this mask, which was really great, and I would definitely recommend this. And the last product is this Acai Berry Revitalizing Sleep Mask from So AE. I got this in a Walmart beauty box and it was so good. This is the greatest mask I've ever used. I kind of want to see if this comes in a tube, and if it doesn't come in a tube, I'm just going to buy a bunch of these little packets, because first of all, the packet lasted a long time. Like, this was a good amount of mask. Like, I was able to use it for almost a month because I only did this about once a week. But it was so good. I used it a lot during the summer, and I would mainly focus a lot of it on my nose because that's just where, like, I get the worst, like, sunburn, I guess you could say. And it just helped clear that up. It didn't irritate my skin, and it's just amazing. I highly recommend. So AE makes amazing masks that I think you guys would love and you should try out. And that is it for this Empties video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It feels so good to finally do that video because I've had that whole bag full and it's been overflowing in my room for the longest time now, so it just feels so nice to just be able to put this all in the garage in a garbage can so it can be thrown away on Wednesday because that's a garbage day. Let me know in the comments down below some things that you've used up recently. I would love to know, and if you guys would repurchase it or not. If you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all my social media. That's always in the description box as well. If you guys have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. I would love some suggestions because I've been drawing a blank on what to film lately. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying, hey, please do that too. I love getting your comments, and that is all I have to say. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.